So you're creating high quality content, you've got rave reviews from customers and clients, and now you really want to get your name out there and build some brand awareness. I'm Austin, Jumprope's Beauty Content Director, and in this video, I'm going to share a couple of different ways that you can land your first press feature. Now, it's no surprise that these suggestions are going to start off small, because the more small features you can build up, the better chance you have of being accepted by a larger national publication or outlet. My first suggestion of where to pitch yourself might seem a little bit obvious, but I feel like a few people overlook this because they're looking to get something bigger, and that is going to your local newspaper or local TV news station and offering some kind of feature on yourself. So whether you can give them some kind of exclusive, or especially if you're a small business and you really want to start getting customers more aware of you and what you do, this is a great entry-level point to start getting some press. Next up are podcasts, and podcasts have really taken off over the last few years and are such a great way to introduce yourself to a new community of people. There are so many podcasts now. There's a podcast for absolutely everything, so don't be afraid to pitch them, small and large, because you never know how many downloads they're going to get or how popular they're going to be in future years. And pro tip, be sure to ask when they are next recording for the next season, because podcasts typically record in batches. Another place you might want to consider pitching is to an indie blog or magazine. Now, there are still some indie magazines out and around there, although a lot of them are now digital publications and also blogs. So if you have a super niche category that you're focused on, maybe it's claymaking and crafts or skincare and beauty, definitely try pitching yourself to these more category-specific publications, as you'll have a higher chance of getting featured because of your specialty. And last but not least, consider guest blogging. This is such an amazing way to start to build your authority as an expert in your industry or niche and get in front of a brand new audience of people that you might not have had access to on your own platforms or website. Consider writing more about interesting insights in your industry or tips that you can offer other people who might want to do what you do, and not necessarily about the company you work for or the product that you're selling. Once people feel like they can come to you for all this kind of great information, they'll start to know, like, and trust you. I hope this was useful and you now have a good understanding of a few places you can pitch yourself in order to start getting press. If you can think of any other places that I didn't mention in this video, we would love to hear from you and learn what they are. Additionally, if you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, you can DM us on Instagram at Let's Jumprope or chat us on the Jumprope app.